students of Standard 7. Now we will solve examples of simple interest. Simple interest. The principal is same every year and the rate of interest too remains same. The interest calculated in this way is called simple interest. Every year principal is same, rate also same, then the interest is called simple interest. Calculate total interest when the principal is P is deposited for T years at R rate of interest. Suppose the interest for 1 year is I. Then the ratio of interest to principal for 1 year is I upon P equal to R upon 100. Then I equal to, shift this P to this side, we will get I equal to P into R upon 100. This is the interest for 1 year. Now we will calculate interest for T years. Interest for T years. So multiplying both sides by T. So I into T equal to P into R into T upon 100. Therefore, total interest is equal to principal into rate into time. Principal into rate into time upon 100. This is the formula to find simple interest. One example is here. Principal is 25,000 rupees. Rate is 8. Time is 3 years. Find out simple interest I. Now formula is I equal to P into R into T upon 100 equal to substituting values. P is 25,000 into rate is 8 into time is 3 upon 100. Now simplify. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. 250 into 8 into 3. Now we know 25 8s are 200 and this 0 means 2000 into 3, 6000. Therefore, total interest is 6000 rupees. So by using formula we can find simple interest in this way. Now one more word problem is there. Second example, Sandeep Bhau borrowed 1,20,000 rupees from a bank for 4 years at the rate 8.5 PCPA. PCPA percent per annum. Percent per annum means rate is 8.5 rupees for 100 rupees for 1 year. His son's education. What is the total amount he returned to the bank at the end of that period? Now here borrowed amount, which is called principal, is 1,20,000. Rate of interest is 8.5 PCPA. Total period is 4 years. So solution, principal P equal to 1,20,000 rupees. Then rate R equal to 8.5 PCPA. 8.5 means 8.5 PCPA. Time T is equal to 4 years. By using this, first we will find simple interest and then we will find amount. Total interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. This is the formula. Therefore, I equal to substituting values 1,20,000 into rate 8.5 into period 4 years upon 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. So 1200 into 8.5 into 4 is 34.0. Now you can remove this 0.0, there is 34. 1200 into 34 is 40,800. Therefore, simple interest is 40,800 rupees. Now find out amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Therefore, A equal to 1,20,000 principal plus interest 40,800 and this total is 1,60,800 rupees, and therefore the total amount returned to the bank is rupees 1,60,800. Solve these examples in your maths module.